Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today. This is Stand to Headstand Level 1 Part 1. Let's begin with warm up. Starting with simple arm circles. About 8 times. Let's reverse direction. We are doing this 8 times each side. Excellent. Second up, press the hands down with force and tilt head side to side. About 6 times. Now up and down 6 times. Looking side to side 6 times. Perfect. Let's go on our fours. Hands right below the shoulders, knees right below the hip distance apart legs. Starting with easy camel and cat. Going into your cat and then camel. Inhale into cat. Exhale into camel. We are doing this about 3 to 5 times. Easy warm up. Let's go into child's pose. So I have my timer here. I'm setting it to 20 seconds for our upcoming plank holds. Starting with our first plank hold, front plank. If you find it unstable, you can always have more space between the legs. A little bit wider stance. Once the 20 seconds are over, you can go towards your left side plank. You can either stack your feet on top of another or you can keep the right leg in front of the left. Hold here for about 20 seconds. After this, we are going towards our right. Same thing. You can have your left leg in front for more balance or you can stack it to make it more challenging. Perfect. Let's take a short break. From here, let's start again in our plank hold. And let's move into dolphin this time. From plank to dolphin, we are doing this 15 times. You can even do it only 10 or take a break if you need. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Keep going. At any point you feel this is too much, you can pause the video, take a break and come back. Almost there. Very good. And relax. We are going to repeat the plank flow on our hands this time. Keep your feet mat distance apart and holding the plank for about 20 seconds. Press the hands into the ground as if you are pushing the ground away from you. Staying there for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, let's move on to your left. You can keep one leg in front or you can stack the feet on top of another to make it more challenging. Again 20 seconds. Keep pressing the hand into the ground as if you are pushing the ground away from you. Changing side. Spending 20 seconds here as well. Almost there, and we take a short break. Moving to our downward dog this time. Good. Let's go into plank and then to downward. We are doing this about 10 times. Exhaling up, inhaling forward. On the 10th one, let's just hold. If this is too much for your hamstrings, you can always bend the knees, keep the spine long. Keep pulling the belly in. Press the hands away from you. Almost there, yogis. Excellent job, you guys. You did it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you next class.